Hello and thank you for watching 2carpros.com. In this video we are going to show you how to replace the front brake pads and rotors on a 2003 to 2011 Honda Element. Our first step is to remove the lug nuts, allowing us to remove the wheel from the car. Once the wheel is removed from the car, using the appropriate size socket or wrench, remove the two caliper slide bolts. Remove the brake caliper, finding a spot to rest it. Do not allow the brake caliper to hang from the brake line. Remove the two old brake pads. You may need to use a small standard screwdriver to remove them. Using the appropriate size socket or wrench, remove the two caliper mounting bracket bolts. Remove the caliper mounting bracket. In this next step, you will need to use an impact screwdriver. Loosen and remove the two hardware screws holding the rotor to the hub. Our next step is to use a hammer, shocking the rotor into loosening. We like to compare our new brake rotors to our old brake rotors to be sure of proper install. Before installing the new rotors to the vehicle, we like to clean the surface with brake or carb cleaner, in which the brake pads will be mating to the brake rotor. Our next step is to install the new brake rotor to the hub, lining up the indicated holes for the mounting hardware. Install and tighten the two mounting hardware screws to factory torque specs. Our next step is to install the brake caliper mounting bracket using the two mounting hardware bolts you removed from before. Install and tighten the two caliper mounting bracket bolts to factory torque specs. We like to compare our new brake pads to our old brake pads to be sure a proper install. Install the new brake pads to the brake caliper mounting bracket. Make sure to get the correct side indicated here. Install the two brake pad retainer clips. Next, we are going to recess the piston back into the brake caliper. We like to use an old brake pad and a large pair of channel locks, but you can also use a brake caliper compression tool. Install the brake caliper back to the brake assembly, and tighten the two caliper slide bolts you removed from before to factory torque specs. Install the wheel back to the vehicle, and then hand tighten the lug nuts to avoid cross-threading, and then tighten the lug nuts in a cross pattern formation to factory torque specs. Before operating the vehicle, you will need to press down on the brake pedal slowly, and then release the brake pedal slowly. Repeating this process until you find what is called brake pressure, then the vehicle is safe to drive. Please click our subscribe button and like us on Facebook. Thank you for watching 2carpros.com.